Kelly, how are you? Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name's Kelly. I am a wife and a mum living in Adelaide, Australia, where we are currently in the middle of a lockdown, and this is day 5 of 7. And check out my channel because I've been doing a lot of cleaning and other crazy things, which you know you do in a lockdown. I think we'll be finished after day 7 because our cases are really low, and so I'm super grateful. But I've got friends in New South Wales and Victoria, so I keep messaging them and hey going, and then they're checking with me, hey going. So yeah, it's been really good to connect with other people as well. And so as well as all the cleaning, and I already did a day 1 grocery haul, but of course I have done now a day 5 grocery haul because I'm cleaning so much. I needed some things, and we needed a few things. We've run out of bread and milk, which are a weekly buy anyway, and then there were just some other things that we just wanted because we're still here for a few days, and it's just nice to have some nice things. I spent a total of $103.00, and it says that all I saved was $4.30, which is funny because I buy so much home brand products, so probably the only savings I got were, I don't know, actually that would be interesting to go through and work out, because a few things that I grabbed I don't normally grab, but I grabbed them because they were on clearance. And so I'm curious to know, because I would think that I saved more than $4.30 on the clearance items that I bought. So yeah, so I went to Coles in store because one, click and collect is like done, it's weeks and weeks and weeks out. So I could put it in for today, but they won't start having orders available till like Wednesday, Thursday, and I needed bread and milk, so I can't wait that long. 2, I had an offer in my Flybuys app that said if I spent $80 I got 1,000 points, so it's like $5 off, or if I spent $110 I got 2,000 points, so that's $10. So I was going for the 80, and then I realized, oh, I'm gonna go over it, so I went, oh, that's cool, I will grab a few extra things just to stock up. And then was a little bit like, because I only did 103 when I really probably should have grabbed some extra things like the noodles, because they were on special this week, to bump it to the 110. So I didn't spend $7 to save 10. So I'm a bit frustrated with myself that that's happened, but oh well. I have a deal in my everyday rewards app for next week. If I spend $50, it's part of like a 4-week challenge, so I'll still have to go shopping and spend that. Yes, the things we do to chase a bargain, I tell you. All right, I'm gonna turn around, we're gonna check out what I've got. The first thing I did was a click and collect order for my hubby. He got his Maker's Mark. This was $67 on special, down from $80 at Liquorland. And then I got him his Tawny Paw, and this was $12, but I had a shop back offer of 10% off, so that brought these sort of down to equivalent of what Dan Murphy's price would have been. I got 2 packets of these pizza bases, as you can see, marked down to $1.20. They were $6. That's a good saving for me. These Lamington fingers, $2.50, everyday price. Iced coffee is $4.30, it's everyday price. Oat milk, this is for Kira, this was on special for $3.80. 2 bottles of lemonade, they're 1.25 litres and they're $1 each. And then a bottle of orange drink, that's $1 as well. I got 3 litres of milk, so I'm not going to run out this time. I got 2 lots of butter because they're $5 each, whereas the 250 grams are $2.80. So I will cut these in half, so then it's cheaper for each. But 500 grams of butter is what I need to make my 100 cookie recipe. And I got a margarine as well because we're nearly out. I got a 2 kilo bag of potatoes for $3.50. They were on special, I believe, and these were pretty much the only ones that were actually there in store. These were actually very limited. Packet of licorice twists, they were $2. Funny because they used to be $1.65, so they've gone up in price. And then dark chocolate licorice twists, they're $2, but they've always been that. Mango slices for Kira, these are $4, everyday low price. Honey, this was $4.40. I've never had this honey before, but it was only about 20 cents cheaper than the Coles everyday low price, so I just grabbed it. Sour creams, $2.10, everyday low price. This was on clearance for $1.70, so I grabbed it. It said it was $3.50, so a saving there. Garlic aioli, this is $2.75, everyday low price. Dark choc chips, they're $1.50, everyday price. And hot chocolate for $3. This was the only one on the shelf, so I grabbed it because I would be more than happy to start a little stockpile with these. I got a kilo of cheese for $8 because there was no sliced cheese available, so we will chop this up instead. It will be cheaper. I got a packet of chips for hubby for $2. 2 packets of these choc chip muesli bars, they're $1.90 each. And a packet of sweet chili chips, $2 as well. Noodles for Jeremy and for Kira, these were on special $1.50, normally $1.90. I got an 8-pack of kiwi fruit for 50 cents, so even if I only eat a couple of them, it's worth it because individually I saw they were 50 cents each. I got a pack of 10 kebab chickens, $5.70, so again I will cook these up and then tear all the meat off of them and have them for lunches or for dinner. Got a chicken for $3.11, so I'll roast that with the seasoning. I got a scrub brush, it was $1.35, and I like that it's got a little end on it, so that will be good for cleaning. Got a pack of these 10 steel wools. These are $1.30. These are great for cleaning and also for sticking in holes. If you have mice, they can't chew through them. Not that we have any mice yet. Since we've had our kitchen redone, we haven't had any issues, touch wood, or touch the kitchen. But they're great for cleaning. Got 2 packets of bicarb soda. These are $1.80 each. Got 2 litres of white vinegar. It was $1.20. There was a double strength cleaning one there for about $1.80, but I just grabbed this one. I got some laundry liquid for $1.50. I love that it has the price on it. And I grabbed some bleach for $1.80. We don't have any, and I've been watching a lot of cleaning videos on YouTube lately, so I'm going to give this a go in some areas. I got a loaf of multigrain bread, that's $1.60, and a loaf of white bread, that's $1.20. So there is everything for our shopping trip. As I said, I spent more than what I probably would, and I know that this is where the online shoppers would go, see, if you shopped online. I'm gonna do a separate video about that because I have some thoughts. I thought about doing a debate with someone nicely and going, tell me why, convince me why it's amazing, but thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are in quarantine or not, or I don't know. who knows? Leave me a comment below. Tell me where you're watching from. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. I've loved chatting with all of you in the comments. It's been so funny, and finding some of you also over on Facebook in some of the groups. It's been great to connect with many of you over there. All right, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.